MYOB Advanced is 100% web-based. It requires no plugins. It also means that there's no awkward remote desktop connections or a complicated workstation setup. It is accessible from anywhere and however you need it. Let's sign in. MYOB Advanced supports two-factor authentication. The two-factor authentication signing process helps to secure data and guard against identity theft. It provides you the peace of mind that your data is protected. On the left-hand side, you can see the menu items, and navigating through these is very easy. If you're looking for a financial item, you can click here, and MYOB Advanced has everything categorized as transactions, processes, and reports. In MYOB Advanced, you can search for a number of items using the global search function. If you're looking for a customer with the letters ABC in it, type this into the search bar. When we hit enter, MYOB Advanced will search through the customer list. It will find shipments, sales orders, invoices, and all documents that include the letters ABC. The global search can also be used to find menu forms and help articles. In MYOB Advanced, you can configure data from any screen to be displayed on your dashboard. Dashboards are designed to give you real-time information that is important to you. This ensures that your time is spent driving changes instead of trying to collate data from discrete areas of your business. The dashboard provides you with an easy way to access all of your actionable data, no matter if you're in the office or on the road. In the desktop version, you can see that these dashboards are fully configurable and can be tailored specifically for different roles within your organization. They also pull data from anywhere within the system in real time. So as a user, you'll only ever see the information that is both relevant and up to date. The dashboard presents data in a variety of ways that call your attention to important metrics or different graphs that allow you to compare your figures against budget, track trends across periods, or segment them according to classifications. And finally, you can click through any figure to take it to the actual data it's being drawn from. And then you can drill down even further to a specific transaction or do additional analysis through the built-in filtering or pivot tables. In MYOB Advanced, roles can be used to tailor a unique experience for each individual user, such as finance-related forms and subsections only available to finance users. Let's take a quick overview of the built-in workflow tool within MYOB Advanced that can quickly route your transactions for assignment and approval. It is fully configurable, so depending on the information that the document contains, this then determines the number of approvers and also the path it needs to take. You can see on this screen that this is a simple example of an approval map, and it looks at the total amount of the purchase order. In this case, if it sees that it's greater than $5,000, it's going to require a second level approval. However, you're not just limited to looking at the total amount. You can set this to trigger based on information in other fields, like the materials being purchased, the supplier, or even the department that's going to be doing the purchasing. It is fully customizable based on your company's requirements. The approval maps also integrate into your organization's structure, so the system can automatically assign approvals based on the appropriate manager. Like in the case of an employee submitting time cards or expenses, it can even escalate approvals that are past the due date. So if we look back at our example, you can see here that there's a purchase order that's been submitted. The amount is less than $5,000, so in this case, the purchase order will only require a single level approval. And if we look at the details of the approval, we can see that it's already been assigned to Ben Wood and the status is pending. If notifications are set up, then Ben will also receive an email alerting him to the approval task. So when Ben logs in, he'll be able to view the pending approval awaiting his action. No matter if you're in the office or on the road, You'll always have access to the data you need. So let's take a look at how to access MYOB Advanced while on the road. You can do this on your mobile device by using the On-the-Go app, which is available to download from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store at no charge. Once you have the app, you'll need your username and password to log in. It's the same security and authorization protocols that are set up for the desktop. These carry over to the app, so you're only ever able to see the functions you are authorized to access. For enhanced peace of mind, it also connects directly to your system and does not keep any data on your device, so you don't risk exposing any of the company data in the event that you lose your device. This also means that any transaction you enter is processed in real time. So if you enter a purchase order through your mobile device, the approver back in the office would immediately be able to see the entry and can action it accordingly. The same goes for the reports and dashboards that you see on the app. All of them display the latest up-to-date data. This gives you the freedom and flexibility to quickly check your numbers while you're on the road, and it's the perfect mobile companion to the desktop. As I mentioned, the dashboards are fully configurable and they're also available on your mobile. So you have the latest information at your fingertips and you're ready to respond from anywhere at any time. The app also allows you to raise sales orders, manage your opportunities, monitor your projects, enter your time cards, and you can see from the icons on this screen that there's much more it can do for enhanced functionality. You can also access built-in features of your device. For example, using the camera to take photos of your receipts for expense claims. This saves you both time and ensures your expenses are accounted for. Another handy feature of the camera is that it can scan barcodes to quickly pick items from the warehouse. There's no need to purchase additional expensive scanning equipment, and you can also use the Map app on your mobile device to navigate to your next service appointment. It automatically uses the address for your customer and brings up their location. And once you've completed the appointment, your customer can simply sign directly on your mobile device, confirming that the work was done to their satisfaction. So, to recap, with the On the Go app, you'll have a way to access MYOB Advance in a secure way while you're out of the office. You can enter a host of different transactions in real time and also use the built-in apps to complete a variety of tasks, all from the convenience of your mobile device. The great advantage of MYOB Advanced is the fully integrated MYOB Advanced People Payroll module to help you manage your company's payroll and reporting requirements seamlessly. The employee screen is where you can add or update employee information such as their contact details, employee settings, and personal information. You would also add details on their position within the company and employment status. The information relating to the employee's pay is entered on the pay details screen. This can be accessed from the menu or directly off the employee's screen. The information that makes up an employee's pay, including available tabs and actions, is country specific. Each employee is assigned to a pay group. Generally, this is based on their pay frequency, for example, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. To pay an employee, you create a pay run for the pay group. Once the pay run has been created, you can view the pay run details. This shows all the employees being paid within that pay run and the pay period it covers. When we click on an employee, we can see their current pay. All the standard pay detail is brought through to this pay. Any additional pay lines or adjustments can be entered at this stage. Journal entries that will be updated for this pay can also be viewed. Once you're happy that the pay run is accurate, the pay can be processed and completed to finalize the employee's pay, generate pay slips, and create the bank file. The batch payment file can now be exported ready for upload to the bank. Pay slips can be processed and sent out. Various pay reports are available. For example, we can go and look at the pay slip we created for our employee. The payroll dashboard, again, is a useful view of key information about your payroll activities, and you can drill down to the information displayed on the dashboard. Now, in addition, MYOB Workforce Management was recently launched and it seamlessly integrates with MYOB Advanced People. The timesheets generated from employees clocking in and out of their shifts contains the number of hours they worked and the different pays they're entitled to. A manager can approve an employee's time and identify if there are any alerts associated to it. A payroll administrator can easily view a breakdown of the pay and confirm whether correct awards or allowances were applied. Once the timesheets are validated and ready to pay, they can be included into a pay run that will be integrated back into MYOB Advanced. Finalizing the pay run transmits the timesheets. In MYOB Advanced, the payroll administrator is able to see the timesheets from workforce management with accurate times and correct pays. From here, the payroll administrator can complete the pay run process to pay out the employees and ensure compliance. Dashboards in workforce management highlights important items that need attention, such as leave requests, unsigned documents, and unpublished shifts. This dashboard also provides graphs and charts that allows the manager to quickly analyze statistics for rostering and attendance. On the right side of the screen, the manager can monitor who is currently on shift, who is rostered for the day, and who's completed their shift. The manager also has access to different reports like a summary report that breaks down employee shifts and hours. Analytical reports provide time and cost information across different date periods. These are broken down per location to provide further insight. For those in the retail or hospitality sector, MYOB Workforce Management has built-in tools to import sales data so that the impact of labor costs to sales can easily be analyzed. Lastly, MYOB Advanced provides a sophisticated, scalable API platform that can be customized. It also provides the capability to connect to legacy systems, homegrown applications, or any other industry-specific application you might need to complete a specific business process for. MYOB hosts hundreds of third-party applications to boost the capability of your solution. MYOB Advanced can then be further customized to your needs with hundreds of integrations already available. As you can see, MYOB Advanced is a fully scalable integrated ERP solution.